Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have 10 minutes all focused on our core. We're going to be on a mat for all of class today, so head to the ground and we will go ahead and get this party started. Alright, we'll get started on our backs with our legs at a 90-degree bend. Arms are reaching over the shoulders. You're going to extend the right leg with the left arm, come back through center, and then opposite arm, opposite leg, come back through center. Just keeping your lower back connected to the ground. We're really focusing on the core. Rest right where you are. Take those hands behind your head. You're going to tap your toes down, lift them back up to that 90-degree bend, and then take an upper body curl as you lower back down. So we're isolating in our lower abs and then our upper abs. Here we go. And take a breather. All right, you're going to curl your shoulders up off the mat. You're going to take a lower body curl as the knees come in, and then you're going to extend the arms and legs away from one another as you keep those shoulders up and off the mat. We'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. That head and the legs. Feet are going to come flat. We're going to take an upper body twist over to the left knee, right elbow, and you're going to stay on this first side of work for this entire 45 seconds, really starting to activate those obliques. Here we go. Beautiful job. Take a break. We're going to head into that second side. So this time you're going to lift up the right knee and twist that left elbow across the chest, tapping it back to the ground and activating that right oblique. For the second set, we'll begin now. and rest. All right, you guys, now we're gonna alternate each side. So you're gonna twist over to the left, over to the right, and I just want you to tap those toes as they lower down towards the mat, really maintaining control with our low abs and twisting into those obliques side to side. Here we go. And rest. Take the legs back up to tabletop. Head is flat. We're going to tap our toes down and out into a Y position, and then they squeeze back into the midline, finding that 90-degree bend at the top. Really press your palms down into the mat and keep your low back engaged to the ground. Rest right where you are. Upper body's going to stay right where it is. Our legs are going to extend on the diagonal. We're going to slide the legs out to a V and then cross the left over right, out to a V, and then squeeze across the right over the left. Really focusing on our low abs and just pushing those legs only as far as you can maintain control. Awesome job. Take a breath, you guys. Those legs are going to come straight over the hips. We're going to reach across the body as we reach for the toes. Right arm, left arm coming back through center, activating those upper abs and our obliques, keeping the shoulders high and hovering the entire set. Here we go. And rest. Nice work, you guys. Take those legs to your tabletop. Reach past your hips. Shoulders are hovering. We're going to take hundreds here. So you're going to pump those arms, and you're going to inhale for 4 counts, and then you're going to exhale for 4 counts. Keeping a soft gaze up to the ceiling and just really activating with your deep core muscles. Final push. Let's go. All right, take a big breath and stretch, shake it all out, give yourself a round of applause. Awesome work today, you guys. Hope you got those abs, that core fired up. If you like this video, let me know in those comments, hit that like button, or if you want to support my channel, I have a couple of links in the description. You can click those, and I appreciate the support.